Turn off the phone and take out the battery. Attach the battery to the KC02S device. Long press the OK key to change the language of the device. Choose single mode. Long press the switch button to set the efficiency and charging times you want. Press OK key to write, waiting for write complete.
Writing successful. Take out the red boot cable.
Connect the USB to KC02S device, another end to the phone. Before starting up, confirm that KC02S is in data guidance mode. Turn on the phone and go to Settings, Battery, Battery Health and Charging. When the important battery information message pop up, turn off the phone. After phone power off, push the switch to data modification. Turn the phone on again. Turn on the phone and go to Settings, Battery, Battery Health and Charging. At this time, the battery max capacity has been modified to 100%.
Connect the Type-C charger at the bottom of KC02S. Attach the battery to the KC02S device.
Long press the activation button to activate the protected battery. When the green light lights up, the battery has been activated.